Oh, I'm back again, trying something old. I like doing this after the expo. It's kind of, you see a lot of the news stuff, everybody's going for that, but I'm going to try something a little different. This is a retail box of 2003 Quest for the Cup. It's a Pacific product. You're not guaranteed a game-worn jersey, but you're probably going to get it because it's 1 in 25 and there's 24 packs. As well, they guarantee two rookies, three inserts, and two parallels. So let's see what we get out of this. And you also get one Pacific Complete card like that. My first insert, Quest for the Cup. Nope, those are not inserts. This is Chasing the Cup, Marian Hossa. Neat looking base cards at least. Another Chasing the Cup, Brendan Morrison. Something tells me I should look a little closer to make sure none of the base are parallel, like this one, a gold, numbered out of 325, Vincent Lecavalier. And base. It's a fun little product. Pacific had nice designs in its day. Nothing too spectacular. Another Chasing the Cup, Danny Heatley. I might have got the odds wrong. Might be getting a few more inserts than that. My next gold one, also at a 325, Jocelyn Thibault. Should also look for my rookie. Oh, wow. I got an auto out of this one. Hard signed, 162 out of 500. Marty Turco. Wow. I actually like that. Well, I got more than I expected out of this box. Especially considering it's a retail box, which actually I've been doing pretty good with recently. When I was in London, I opened up a retail blaster box of 0708 Hot Prospects and pulled a Halak patch auto out of 399. Gold, Yannick Perreault. Of course, out of 325. You're getting the gist of it. Still waiting on a rookie that I should recognize. And nothing yet. I hope I can tell what the rookies look like. It'd be kind of sad if I had to go through all this again. Raising the Cup, Joe Sakic. No rookies yet. Calder Contenders, Jason Spezza. Not numbered. Not sure if that's an insert or if that's what the rookie cards are. I'm getting a feeling that those might actually be the rookies. Nope, because they are supposed to be serial numbered. Well, that proves that. Nope. Raising the Cup, Mario Lemieux. Oh, and I did get a jersey, authentic game worn, not numbered, Roman Manic. Actually, a nice clean design. Nice white piece, but you can't have everything. There's a rookie for sure. Numbered at a 950, Henrik Zetterberg. So yeah, it looks like I'm going to have to go through them all. Damn it. I'm pretty sure I didn't miss any, but... Base. And another base. I don't expect too much more. Maybe another rookie. Unless, of course, I missed one. Which is somewhat likely, considering how sneaky it seemed to be. My second rookie is Vernon Fiddler. Also at a 950. I think that's pretty much going to be it. Base, maybe one more insert. And there we are. So really, for a $20 box, getting an auto and a jersey out of a retail box is quite good. So there you have it. I'll be back very soon with another product. Until then, thanks for watching, and keep on breaking.